Here we have some exercises from the student book, and you have to find the solution set of each one. In number 1, x plus 3 equal 3. Here we have addition operation. That means we will use the opposite of this operation. The opposite of addition operation here is subtraction operation. So we will subtract negative 3 from both sides to remove 3 from x. So x plus 3 minus 3 equal 3 minus 3. So x will be equal 0. And the solution set will be equal the set of 0. In number 2, we have x minus 2 equal 1. By using our rule in the golden rule, the subtraction operation, the opposite operation of it will be the addition operation. So by adding 2 in both sides, we will get x minus 2 plus 2 equal 1 plus 2. The left side will be equal x and the right side will be equal 3. So x will be equal 3 and the solution set equal the set of 3. In number 3 here, we have 2x equal 6. Here we have a number with x with multiplying. That means we will use the opposite of multiplying is dividing. By dividing both sides by 2, you will get 2x over 2 equal 6 over 2. Now you will cancel 2 with 2. To get the left side is x and the right side will be equal 3. And the solution set of this equation will be equal the set of 3. In number 4, we have here number subtracted from x. By using the opposite of the operation, we will add 12 in both sides. So x minus 12 plus 12 will be equal negative 40 plus 12. And we will cancel 12 with 12 to get x in the left side, and the right side here will be equal negative 28 because negative 40 plus 12 equal 28 with the negative. And the solution set here will be equal the set of negative 28. Now, solving two-step equations. First, you have to know what is your variable and what is the furthest number from the variable on the same side. How is the number attached? And do the opposite. And remember, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. And also you have to follow these steps until the variable is alone. Always follow the golden rule. Example, 2x plus 1 equal negative 5. First, you have to find your variable. Your variable here is x. Number 2, what is the furthest number from the variable on the same side? Yes, it's 1. Number 3, how is the number attached? The number attached here with addition operation. Number 4, you have to do the opposite of this operation. The opposite of addition operation is the subtraction operation. Now, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So 2x plus 1 minus 1 equal negative 5 minus 1. And we will cancel 1 with the negative 1, the number, and its additive inverse. Now follow these steps until the variable is alone. So 2x will be equal negative 6. We will use the opposite of the operation to remove 2 from x. The opposite of multiplying operation is dividing operation. So 2x over 2 equal negative 6 over 2. And we will cancel 2 with 2 to get the left side x. And the right side will be equal negative 3. So the solution set here will be equal the set of negative 3. Here we have the equation 3x minus 2 equal negative 19. And the solution set here must be in Z. First, here we have minus 2 with 3x. That means we will add 2 to both sides. So 3x minus 2 plus 2 equal negative 19 plus 2. And we will cancel 2 with negative 2 because the number and its additive inverse to get the left side 3x. And the right side will be equal negative 17. To remove 3 from x, here 3 is multiplying with x. That means you will use the opposite of the operation of multiplying. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. That means you will dividing both sides by 3. So 3x over 3 equal negative 17 over 3. And we will cancel 3 with 3 in the left side to get x equal negative 17 over 3. And negative 17 over 3 doesn't belong to Z. So the solution set here will be equal 5. Now study the possibility of solving 3m plus 12 equal 6 in n and z. Since 3m plus 12 equal 6, by adding negative 12 in both sides, Then 3m plus 12 minus 12 equal 6 minus 12. We will cancel 12 with negative 12. To get the left side is 3m, and the right side will be equal negative 6. Now we have 3 multiplying by m, so we will use the opposite of multiplying operation is dividing operation. So we will dividing 3 in both sides. Then 3m over 3 equal negative 6 over 3. And we will cancel 3 with 3 to get the left side m, and the right side will be equal negative 2. Then m equal negative 2. Of course, negative 2 doesn't belong to natural number. So the solution set in n will be equal 5. But negative 2 belong to z. That means the solution set in z equal the set of negative 2. Find the solution set of the equation x over 2 minus 5 equal 3 in z. Since x over 2 minus 5 equal 3, that means you will add 5 in both sides. So x over 2 minus 5 plus 5 equal 3 plus 5. And you will cancel 5 with negative 5 to get the left side x over 2. And the right side will be equal 8. Now, to cancel 2, you will multiply 2 in both sides. So x over 2 multiplying by 2 equal 8 times 2. And we will cancel 2 with 2 to get x in the left side will be equal 16. And the solution set here will belong to z. That means the solution set will be equal the set of 16. Thank you for your listening and goodbye.